Welcome to Rec Center version 2018. This has been since the original opening of the Rec Center, we've done a couple of remodels. I don't know if any of you remember, but right around the corner was the original weight room where all you needed was Tony DeLalla in there, and that was all the people you could get in there. We've slowly grown as the community's grown, and past councils have known and have planned for this very day, and then this council cut loose the funds so we could do it. In general, the big deal was to move the tennis center out of this facility. You'll see there's a tennis center across the street. So we gained a ton of land by moving tennis out there. There's a new cardio deck, a new huge weight room. If you've just shown up and have never been here, grab one of the staff, take a walk. It is truly an amazing, amazing facility. I mean, blows you away for a little town like ours to have this, I think, is extraordinary. So, I have a bunch of people to thank, but first of all, I want to thank the staff. The staff, if you were here at all this winter or through the entirety of this remodel, really got the short end of this stick. They moved equipment around constantly, they had stuff to do, they were under deadline. They did an unbelievable job. So thank you to the staff, Scott and all his people. Remarkable job. I also want to thank the council for the vision to go with what the staff was saying and say, you know what, instead of doing this over a 5-year period and dragging it out, let's cut loose the $17 million. Let's take it out of funds that we've been saving. This is an important amenity for the community. Let's get it done. So thank you to you. So Perkins and Will Architects, Chris Kostelik and Myra Thiessen, Hyder Construction, Jesse Carlson, Scott Miller, Ian McKinnon, Augie Augustino, they were here all the time. Hyder was here constantly working on this. So, and when I was in here riding a bike, I saw them everywhere. So a special thanks to Hyder. Playtime for the amazing indoor playground, Jeff Williamson and Kelly English. That's just right down the hall. If you haven't seen it, you got to check it out. It's super cool. Commercial fitness, that's all our new commercial fitness equipment and the space design. Ken Grieberg and Sean Agnew, who are in the back of the room right there. Carl Cantor of Cantor Furniture for his generous donation towards some of the furniture in the youth wing, providing furniture for the youth wing and conference room. And Carl has recently moved to Breckenridge, and we look forward to having him not only in the community, but here at the Rec Center. I Furnish. Tony Costello from iFurnish, and Elvira Cassette and Caitlin. Ink Monster printed and installed the wonderful wall graphics. More to come, Masood Baramend and Reed Silberman, and those are the images that are on the wall in the new spaces, so as you walk around, and there are more to come. We've decided it looks a little barren in areas, so we're going to add a few more graphics, sort of like the one back here. Local artists provided the wall graphics. Gary Souls here in the lobby, Joe Kuzamoto in the weight room, Liam Dorham in the cycling studio, and Nikki La Rochelle did a really cool painting that got turned into a graphic in the youth wing, and it's super sweet. Randy May, who guided this program as our owner's rep. Where's Randy? Is Randy here? Randy, a special thanks to Randy. While you might think an owner's rep is a little overboard on these kind of projects because Scott is here every day, Randy knows construction. And Randy probably saved us 3 or 4 times the amount of money we had to pay him, if not more, just keeping things on schedule. And he got to be the bad guy with Hyder. And he got to be the bad guy with Tony. So when things were running behind, you just tell Randy, and Randy takes care of it. So it's a very important part of this project. Encore Electric, Brian Bannon is probably working. That guy was here every day of this project. and Southern Cross, Tim McCabe. So thank you all for all the super hard work. I couldn't be happier. Same council is just delighted at how this project came. All right, a couple other announcements, and then we'll bring out the ribbon. There's festivities here all day long, so hang around. There's a face painter at 4:30. The John Trisselli and Frisco Funk Collection will be playing from 5:30 to 7:30, and there's a bunch of fun and swag. So, thanks for coming.
These guys are great.
Oh, these guys are awesome, right? How about a hand for the kids? Let's bring out the ribbon. And really, one final thank you, and that's to the community who support the facility, who are okay with us spending money, honestly, and giving us the support we need to do this kind of thing. So thank you. I hope you enjoy it. All right. Hey!